What's up, creators? Burch the Messenger, and in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your Yelp listing. For the most part, most businesses who have been established for a number of years will probably have a Yelp account. They don't realize they have a Yelp account, so like you see here, Peking Tokyo, which is actually a restaurant my wife and I like to go to, it has an unclaimed Yelp account. So I'm going to help my friends out here in this video. So stay tuned. I'm going to go and show you why you should claim your Yelp listing and why you probably have some reviews that you didn't even know about because you didn't even know you had a Yelp listing. So see you guys in a minute. All right, so welcome back. So here we are in the Yelp account. So again, this is a real restaurant my wife and I go to, and if you see right here in Fort Mill, South Carolina, and just had no intentions. Listen, had no intentions of actually going in and just random search. But anyway, here we are. So this is an unclaimed listing. So again, if you're not familiar with what an unclaimed listing is, let me read it for you right after I burp. Thank you. It says this business has not yet been claimed by the owner or a representative. Claim this business to view business statistics, receive messages from prospective customers, and respond to reviews. So as you notice right here, there's 114 reviews that this restaurant has, right? And they're all down here, and there's some as recent as the 29th, which was just about a month ago based on the recording of this video today, and they've had some not so great within the last 3 to 4 months, right? You've got one here, one, you've got, anytime you see that in that color there, that's not a good look. And the thing about it is they did not know they probably had these reviews because it's not claimed. The other part is they want to get ahead of these negative reviews and be able to respond. So let's look at what we need to do to claim, or what you need to do to claim your listing if in fact you've been either identified or someone has notified you that you do not have a claim listing. So first off, from this unclaimed listing link, I can go to claim this business, click claim this business. And then from here, you're going to literally sign up with Facebook or with Google or first name, email, password, zip code. Click sign up. It's literally that simple, folks. It's literally that simple. I mean, all you've got to do is go through all of the steps. Now, you can also go back into the other tutorial in which we've set up an account for the very first time. And either way, you're going to be able to locate your business by searching for the name and the zip code. And if it's already established in Yelp, you can claim it from there. But again, in this instance here, you're actually on your Yelp page and you can see that it's unclaimed, and you can literally go here and claim the business, right? So just an easy way for you guys to go in and claim the business. And if you don't, right, here's the thing about it. Anybody could really go in and claim this business by simply clicking claim, signing up, and basically taking over your business from the Yelp perspective, right? That means changing the phone number. That means responding different ways. That means all types of things that you would not want to be out of your control could be in the control of another person. So in this video, please take action. If you have an unclaimed listing, go ahead and claim your listing now using this concept here, right? And if you're not sure how to get to your particular listing, here's what you can do is type in your business, right? And you can type in the city and state, or you can even type in the zip. And based on the responses that come back, you should be able to identify your particular listing from all the other listings that will be there. All right. All right. Hope this video helped you guys. See you guys in another tutorial soon. Peace.